Hello, let's take a look at the 2020 eConsulting Smart Automated Website product for restaurants, music venues, bars, and breweries. This is an example from a pub in Utah that has food, weekly events, and live music. You'll notice that a video automatically starts playing to give a taste of what visitors can expect at your location. This website product offers a one-page experience, and all the sections that we'll review can easily be customized, reordered, or hidden to suit your business needs. Let's scroll down and take a look. Here you can highlight news, blogs, or reviews. This shows the last 3 stories posted. Here we can showcase weekly or one-time events. You can schedule them when to start or when to finish. They can be food specials, drink specials, and a lot more. Moving on to the live music section. Here we can see the next live show, learn about the band, their genre, and even tip them directly. In addition, we can see the next 10 upcoming shows, or you can click here to see all the upcoming shows that have been scheduled. Okay, now I want to switch to mobile view, and this is how most people will view the website. We'll do a quick scroll so you can kind of see how the whole thing lays out. And one thing you'll know is right when we get to the menu here, in about 20 seconds, we have a little pop-up window which is controllable, and by default, it asks people to join the email list. You can click that away. And here we have the menu. As you can see, we have different tabs. You have the main tab, popular tab, late night tab, vegetarian, gluten sensitive, and the alcohol. We have shortcuts as well, so we can get to the burgers on the main. We can go right back up to the top and choose finger food, or we can move on to popular late night menu, which actually does change at 9 p.m. to this tab, and vegetarian options, gluten conscious, and they have their full alcohol menu on here. One thing you'll notice too is when a new item is added, you'll see new, and that lasts for a month, and then it goes away automatically. But here we can get to the mezcals or other shortcuts on the list. Now we're going to talk about the fun, smart, automated part of the website. And that's where the website will actually do some work for you, such as collect emails, send emails, post to Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and your Google My Business page, as well as web to TV in your restaurant or venue. And finally, a printable menu that the website updates automatically. Let's take a look at the email. As you can see, it comes from the Hogwalla Pub. The title shows the next 3 performances. Just so happens that one band is playing twice, both Friday and Saturday. And we can see here that name of the band, genre, date, time, and the cost at the door. If you had a linked ticket, it would have the cost of the ticket and then a link to the online sale. Let's take a look at the event. All right, so we've just clicked on the email and now we've landed on the website again. We have all the information about the event, applicable links to the artist, driving directions, and then we continue through the website in the one-page experience as we talked about before. For automated social posts, you can choose the frequency per event, news story, or menu item. This venue posts 10 days and again 1 day before a live show. The post for tomorrow's show posts an image link, description, and dynamic hashtags. The 10-day post shows the date of the event and uses a link that previews the image of the artist. Of course, all of these links takes you to a one-page experience on the website that starts with the info on the clicked event. A huge part of this automation is having your events show up on Events Near Me. This is completely done automatically through the website. As we can see, tonight's show for StoneFed shows up. Got the venue, live music in Cottonwood Heights at the Hogwalla Pub with StoneFed, the genre, and we can learn more about the event here. And again, of course, it goes right to the one-page experience starting with the event information. As we look through here, we'll see that a lot of the events listed are coming directly from the website. And again, this is 100% automatic through the website. And of course, our smart automated websites also post events, specials, and more directly to your Google My Business page. Showing additional content on your Google Map or business page is just as important, if not more, than posting to social media. Another convenient feature is you can display upcoming events, new menu items, and live music on TVs at your location. You have 4 different templates to choose from. The first template displays the 9 upcoming shows and the newest food items, as well as the upcoming events and a QR code to see the menu or tip review bands. If you click here on the logo, it takes you right back. The second template displays 12 upcoming shows. The third template creates a slideshow for 20 upcoming shows and displays events and has a QR code. And finally, we have the top 15 menu items. Another huge benefit is the website automatically creates your printable menu. It's created in a PDF, which is printable and also linkable, which helps enormously with search engine optimization for each item on your website. Managing the website is really easy. When you're logged into your manager, you have your layout of your website right here. We got our homepage. And in the homepage, we can change all sorts of information about the business here. Telephone number, change the way that the events lay out, the way the menu lays out, photos, color scheme, calls to action, videos, social media, hours, control the pop-up window, and a lot more. To edit a specific menu item that is already live, find that menu item on the website, click on Edit. We go to the template variables, and here we can choose what category that food belongs in, the time of day that menu item is available, the cost, the description. We can choose the different diet options, choose the spice level. Is it a popular item, yes or no? You can add a link to buy the item if you have an e-commerce site. You can choose the photo, and you can have add-ons. It's either extra or a total cost. To add a one-time or weekly event, you can click on New Event, or you can go in and edit an event. Here we can choose the day of the week, whether it's a one-time or weekly event, the time it starts and the time it ends, as well as add a photo. When you're wanting to add a live show, you first need to have the band on the website. If they do not exist, add them here. Here you'll put the title of the band, choose their photo, genre, band website. You can add a PayPal link, Venmo link, and of course all the stuff that you add here will show up on each event that they perform. You can add a video of the band, preferably playing at your venue. You can add their social media. You can add additional YouTube video. And here you have a private section where you can rate the band, contact, cell phone, email, and whatever notes you need to put in about the band. And again, this is only for your reference when you're logged in. To add an event, you name the event. You choose the date and time that you want the event to start. You choose the band. You can type in the opening band. You can add an event poster and choose to highlight it. You can set a default length for each show but override it to something else. You can add a Facebook event link. You can add a ticket link or choose a default cost. Then you hit save. It's always best to view the event to make sure the date, the time, the cost, and all of the information is accurate. This concludes the demo of the Hogwallow, a smart automated website that is made for a music venue that also has a full menu. To learn more about this product and pricing, please visit 2020econsulting.com.